I asked AI 10 questions Google refuses to answer. Number 7 will shock you. There are questions you cannot ask Google. Type them in, you get nothing, or worse, you get fake results, designed to mislead. But AI does not censor, AI answers. So I asked AI the 10 questions Google will not touch. What I learned changed how I see everything. Starting with number 10. Question 10. Why can certain historical photos not be found on Google anymore? AI said, search algorithms prioritize approved narratives. Photos that contradict official stories get buried, not deleted, just made invisible, pushed to page 50, where no one looks. This is called search suppression. It is legal, it is common, and you never notice, because you stop at page 1. Question 9. Why do some effective medications disappear from search results? AI said, pharmaceutical companies pay to suppress generic alternatives. When a patent expires, cheap versions appear. Search results get manipulated, you see expensive brand names first. Generics ranked lower, same drug, 1/10 the price, hidden on page 5. This costs you thousands per year. You never knew. Question 8. What is my phone actually recording when I am not using it? AI said, your microphone activates 67 times per day on average, not for calls, for listening. Keywords trigger ad algorithms. You mention vacation, ads appear. You mention symptoms, medical ads appear. This is not conspiracy. This is documented in terms of service that you agreed to, without reading. Every conversation near your phone is data, being sold. Question 7. What do food companies hide in ingredient lists? AI said, natural flavors is a legal loophole. It can mean over 100 different chemicals, including MSG, including preservatives banned in other countries. The term natural is unregulated. Arsenic is natural. Lead is natural. If it exists in nature, it can be labeled natural flavor. You eat this daily. Google will not show you the full list, because food lobbyists pay to keep it hidden. I stopped eating processed food after this. Question 6. Why do banks make certain investments impossible to find? AI said, high-return low-fee index funds are buried in search. Banks push expensive managed funds instead. Same returns, 10 times the fees. They make more, you make less. The information exists. But search results are bought. Financial advisors are paid to recommend expensive options, not best options. This costs the average person $400,000 over a lifetime, in hidden fees. Google will not tell you this, because banks advertise on Google. Question 5. Why can certain health studies not be found? AI said, studies that hurt corporate profits get delisted. Sugar industry studies, tobacco studies, pharmaceutical studies, they exist in medical databases, but Google does not show them. This is called commercial filtering. If a study costs advertisers money, it gets ranked lower. You see sponsored health articles instead, written by companies selling products, not scientists. This is why health advice online contradicts real research. Question 4. What do social media platforms hide from your feed? AI said, 30 to 40% of posts from people you follow never reach you. Algorithms suppress content that keeps you on platform less time. Positive posts, helpful posts, calm posts. You see outrage instead, because anger makes you scroll longer. This is engineered. Your feed is not real life. It is designed to addict you, and you never see what is being hidden. Question 3. Why are 80% of good jobs never posted publicly? AI said, high-paying positions are filled through networks, before public posting. By the time you see a job ad, the decision is made. The posting is legal requirement, not real opportunity. $30,000 jobs get posted. $100,000 jobs get filled internally. This is why applying online feels pointless, because it is. Google will not tell you how hiring actually works, because job boards pay for ads. Question 2. What do schools not teach on purpose? AI said, financial literacy, tax strategy, negotiation, critical thinking about media. These skills threaten existing power structures. Schools teach compliance, not independence. You learn to follow instructions, not question authority. This is not accident, it is design. Countries with strong financial education in schools have lower consumer debt. Banks prefer you uneducated about money. Governments prefer you uneducated about rights. So schools do not teach it. Question 1. What gets deleted from the internet permanently? AI said, thousands of websites disappear every year, not because they break laws, because they threaten profits. Repair manuals for products companies want you to replace. Medical information about cheap treatments. Whistleblower documents. Court records. They get delisted. de-indexed, made unfindable. The information still exists on servers, but search engines remove the path to it. This is the internet you do not see, the deleted web, bigger than the visible web, and growing every day. Here is what I realized. Google is not a search engine, it is a curation engine. It shows you what advertisers pay for, what governments allow, what corporations approve. The internet has answers, but search decides what you find. AI has no advertisers, no shareholders, no government contracts, so AI answers what Google hides. This is why AI terrifies institutions, not because AI is dangerous, because truth is. Which answer shocked you most? Comment 1 through 10. I will reply with more details AI gave me, and if you found this valuable, share it, because this is the information they do not want spreading, the questions they do not want you asking. Comment your question Google will not answer, the question you have searched for, and gotten nothing. I will ask AI, and post the answer. Subscribe because next I am asking AI what happens in the next 10 years, according to patterns Google hides. You need to hear this.